Hello friends, I present to your attention the assembly, which includes an accessory mount and an extender. The design allows the accessory to be mounted at a distance of 380 mm from the mounting point on the boat. The kit comprises the compact mount and the extender, the adapter, the tilt joint and the handle nut. Internal splines of the mount are compatible with all BORIKA FASTen accessories, and the adapter allows the design to be installed in any mounting system, which has been pre-installed on the watercraft. The spline tilt joint is 27.7 degrees. The 7.5 degrees washer can be added for more precise tilt settings. The adapter is reinforced with a bolt, which is made of stainless steel. The handle nut fixes the chosen position of the tilt. The main parts are made of fiberglass-reinforced polyamide. The tube is made of anodized aluminium. The fastener is made of a AISI 304 stainless steel. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products because I'm their creator, inspirer, and active user.